Right now, here we go. We're gonna get Abby. If she can catch him. There's Birdie. Here's Tyler. We're gonna get Birdie. You like Birdie? Pet the birdie.
Are you scared?
You gonna pet the birdie?
Is it gonna attack you? Give a kiss.
You can't move.
Give
The birdie
a
will
kiss.
bite. Wait. No, don't move.
Don't move your eyes. Don't move your eyes. It's gonna bite you.
Don't move, Tyler.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Don't move your eyes. Don't move your eyes. It's gonna bite.
Don't move.
Don't move your
Wait.
eyes.
He's
Don't
he's
move.
gonna. All right, he's doing good. All right.
You can move.
You can move now. He's
Wait,
okay.
don't move.
No,
Don't
he
move, don't
wait.
move.
He can move now. The bird's okay. The bird's calmed down. Pet the birdie now.
Pet the Barbie.
Pet.
I'll give you a cookie. You have to.
Wait, Birdie wants to tell you a secret in your ear.
Tell her a secret.
Did you hear it? It told you. Whoa.
Ow! Did you bite me?
Wait, hold on. Let's see what it does here. Whoa.
Ow!
Here we go with my finger. Here we go. Ouch.
Oh, I'm too small now. Too small.
Here we go. Uh-oh, we only have 10 seconds left. And we'll record until it quits on us. Uh-oh. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. There it is.